Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is kind of a fun video for me. I am trying out the Huda Beauty Neon palette. Like, whoa, like check out those colors. Like, wow. And I'm gonna tell you, this is all me from when I was growing up. I was all about the 80s, like big time. I had the neon colors, I had the pins, I had the big earrings, which ruined my earlobes, mind you. So if those ever come back, guys, don't do it. Don't do the heavy earrings because your earlobes will get ruined. Like my earlobes just got pulled down because I used those heavy earrings all the time. And I have like slits instead of holes. My earlobes are gross. I hate them. Whatever. And I'm not getting a stitch because that looks, I don't know, I'm scared of that. So anyway, moving on. So I can't believe, I don't mean, are people really going to go out and wear this? I don't know. Is it coming back? I don't know. But I had the big hair and the neon and all that going. So this is going to be fun. And I'm going to tell you something. I was thinking, because when I went on that cruise recently to Bermuda, they had the show We Will Rock You on. It's like all Queen music, which was great, by the way. And I was just looking at all the people up there, and they had these neon looks with eyeshadow. And I'm like, oh, maybe I should do that. Like, it went all the way up here. So I'm like, but if you didn't see it and you don't know anything about the play, it'll be like, what are you doing? But at the same time, I don't want to just put a little bit on and think that I have a lot on, and then I look at the video and I'm like, oh my God, I just did not do this. So I really want to go full blown with this. Like, I really want to like, I want my eyes to be 100% 1985 neon colors. So let's get into this. There's a lot of like, and honestly, there are colors here that, like this violet's really pretty. I will use the light colors, maybe, you know. You could use it a little bit here and there where it's not going to be crazy, but I'm going crazy today, so I don't care. And I'm not used to shimmers. We didn't have shimmers so much back then, but let's go for this. Let's just get right in. I know I'm a little too old for this, but I'm not going out to any stores like this, trust me. But it'll be fun. So, and it was $29 at Sephora, so yes, was I wasting my money doing this for fun? But again, like I said, there are some colors that I can use to incorporate into more of a subtle look, which I will do that. But for now, we're gonna go crazy today, because why not? Okay, let me grab a brush. Cleaning my brush. What am I doing? So you know what? Let's just go right in it. So I'm gonna start off with, is there names in the back? No. Okay, I'll just start off with this really lighter pink color in the corner here, and I'm gonna do that all over. Oh my God. Like that totally just went right on. Big time. I'm going for it. I'm just going for it. I don't care. Wow. Definitely pigmented. And honestly, like blending really nice. Like not pigmented in a like gross, ugly way or anything. I mean, it is neon. This is fun. I'm gonna have fun today. I can tell. If it does come back, I'm not sure if someone my age should be walking around like this, but who cares? We're the only ones who can relate to it, if anything. I might have to have an 80s party. Those were the days, but the styles were... Please don't bring the styles back, that's all I'm saying. Some of them, but... no. Okay. Wow. Gotta put a little more here, it looks like, to even it out. Wow. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay. And that's the light pink. That's the light pink. Okay, I'm just going to use the same brush, and I'm going to go and keep cleaning my brush, not that I have to, but I'm going to go in with, let me clean my brush more, and I'm going to go in, I'm going to try and put this violet on my lid, going over the pink, so I'm not sure if I should have done that. Oh yeah, it's totally showing up purple. Like I should have just did the pink and stopped, but I went pink crazy. Oh my gosh. This is like, I mean, honestly, this is kind of pretty. Again, I'm too old for this, but this looks really, really pretty. Like the formula is really pretty. Wow. I like this. I mean, they should totally be using this in the We Will Rock You play, because this is nice. You see that? Hopefully you could see it as well as I'm seeing it. I kind of like this. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to stick to the same brush, because whatever. Oh, maybe I should try some. Let's see what the shimmers look like. Let's try the light shimmer up here. I'm just using the mirror that it comes with because it's, oh my god. Alright guys, this is like a lot prettier than I really thought it was going to be. Like, so pretty. Oh my god. I want to go out in it. I want to be young again. Okay. I like it. Okay, now I'm going to go with the little darker purple. Go here, I'm going to start. Go back in because I took away some of that shimmer. I want to darken the corners, so let me go back in again. Just put some on here. Just put a dotted in there. It's like really pigmented, so it really goes right on wherever you put it. I'm going to clean my brush a little, and then I'm going to go back into that light pink that I started with. Kind of muting it together, but I feel like I wish there was a deeper, darker color in here. So again, going back in, because I just want to like keep darkening just right here. And now, want to go back into that violet. Just put that here more. Okay, guys, I don't know that I could really put any more on. Let me go back in though. I feel like I keep losing that shimmer here. Try the other shimmer too. Ooh, ooh. I'm gonna try that shimmer. I like it. That's got like blues in it. Oh, I like that one. All right. Okay. So fun. All right, I think that this look needs some black eyeliner. So let me go put some of that on and I'll be right back. Okay, I am done, and I do feel like a look like this could use some big lashes, but I'm not a lash person. I'm just not, and so even though it would be fun, like I just probably wouldn't even know what I'm doing, to be quite honest with you. And I don't so much learn and practice because it's not something I'm ever gonna use. I'm just not a falsies. I don't know, just not me. Like, I know how it looks so beautiful and glamorous sometimes, and I'm like, damn, like the lashes really made that look when I see it. Sometimes on videos I'm like, but it's okay, you know, whatever. I'll deal with my little lashes. But I think the black eyeliner really like made it nice and pop. And this was fun. This was a lot of fun. I'm probably not gonna go out like this, but I thought it looks really pretty. And these are really pretty colors, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm probably gonna use them like to incorporate here and there with a more subdued look. But yeah, this brought back some fun memories. And yeah, I mean, $29 isn't too bad. So Huda Beauty, neon colors. There are a couple of different options you can get. I thought this one was pretty for me, that I would like. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you have not. Let me know of any makeup that you would like me to try, if you know of anything, because I'm always looking. And yeah, so that's it. So again, please subscribe, don't forget if you have not. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.